The Dugard 760 is the second machine in the range of high-specification, cost-effective VMCs at Dugard. It's a range of compact, sturdy machining centres, also including 550, 1000 and 1350 models. It has an X-axis traverse of 762mm, Y-axis traverse of 440mm and Z-axis traverse of 460mm. The table size is 910 by 400mm, with a loading capacity of 800 kilograms, and the spindle nose to table surface measurement is 75 to 535mm. Spindle speed range is 20 to 11,000 RPM, with standard BT40 taper and optional cat flange. Cutting feed rate is 15 metres a minute on all axes. Rapids are 36 metres a minute on X and Y, and 30 metres a minute on Z. There is a 16-station drum-type tool changer. The maximum tool diameter is 75mm, tool length is 250mm, tool weight is 7 kilograms, and chip-to-chip tool change time is 2.2 seconds. The Dugard 760 has a pneumatic counterbalanced head as standard. Other standard equipment includes rigid tapping, helical interpolation, high-power coolant system, and a full set of pull studs. Controls on the 760 are Fanuc OIMF, Siemens 828D and Mitsubishi M80. Other options include 20 bar through spindle coolant, 4th axis interface, Renishaw spindle probe and Renishaw setting probe. The Dugard 760 has a high quality cast iron construction and weighs in at 3,650 kilograms. For more information, please go to our website, dugard.com.